Innomatics Research Labs. We don't just train, we transform careers.
Hi, my name is Anwesha. I came from Kolkata. I have done MSc in data science. After that, I want to learn more. Then I was searching some institution who provide that offline courses. Then one of my friends suggested me that to join Innomatics Research Lab. It's also provide that IBM certification. Then I got interest. Then I came from West Bengal and I met with trainer, mentor, and I also gone through placement activities, and I bit more interested to join the Innomatics Research Lab. After joining the Innomatics Research Lab, the training and mentoring session helped me a lot. During training time, Innomatics provided me an opportunity to do the real-time project, the daily task on each module, and weekly presentation on project. Till now, I have gained enough knowledge in technical skill, but I was lagging in interview and soft skill. So the placement team of Innomatics helped me a lot to build resume, interview skill and soft skill by conducting jam and group discussion along with mock interview. In these 10 months of journey, Innomatics made me enough strong in technical and professional skill. Finally, I have placed as a data scientist. I would like to thank Innomatics team. So thank you, Innomatics.